in the club.
Why'd you get it?
It came with it!
They don't have a Coke, so...
We can't pick a free cheese.
You that made the noise, by the way.
Yeah, it definitely was.
Probably.
Oh shit.
And so it began.
The bottle, so it dumps all over it.
Oh, that's hurting my stomach.
Holy fuck.
Good one.
Are you done?
No.
Okay, try to get like...
Phil's just a monster.
There it is.
I knew it with anything but water.
Fuck sakes.
Keep going, let's get another one going.
Fuck sakes, man. Fuck sakes.
Let's get another burp going.
It fucking hurts when the burp has to come out and you're like, you keep swallowing so it won't come up, but then it builds so much pressure and it can't fucking come out and it burns.
That's what he said. Nope.
You have to chug that shit back.
Yeah, chug.
It is.
Shout to bad gas, whatever his name is.
Oh,
Yeah, you are. You have to.
oh. Hoku's blood.
Mr. Science guy over here.
Tablespoon, eh?
Science!
I can't fucking speak.
How you feel, Phil?
Tablespoon of water, you can drown in.
Oh no, it's starting already. He's not even leading through.
Oh, like it's in here. That's how far it is.
Oh shit.